Hey everybody, it's Ben from Blue Marlin Marketing back again. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys um, a cool video on a website and a place that we use to build. Well, you can really use it to build any type of site or landing pages, but today I'm going to be showing you how we actually use it to build like landing pages for things for like our community or like bots or like services that we're offering or like um, for a lead magnet, like if we had like a free course or something like that, you could do it for that. Um, so we've used these in the past for lots of different things. The website we're going to be using is called car.co. Um, Very easy to use, like website UI, like builder site basically. Um, it's super cheap. You can use it for free to do almost everything we're going to do. Um, there's a couple features in there that you'll be limited if you don't pay for. It's actually very cheap. It's $19 and it's like a full year subscription. So that gives you access to like all the pro features and everything in there. Um, we're not sponsored or anything or in any way by them. I do have a link to it in our description below as well, just if you want to check it out for yourself. But yeah, and then we'll just have ChatGPT as well, just to help with the writing and stuff for the page. But I'm going to go ahead and get it open now. So it's called card.co. You'll see that in our description, and then you could also just open it. So once you're here, you'll just go, if you haven't already, you'll open dashboard. And then as you can see, we've made some in here before, like for pages for like some of these bots and things that we've built. Um, I'm sure you've seen some in our videos, and then I've talked about this website before, but I'm just going to go over it again. We'll go ahead and hit new site. There's some of these templates, like they say premium. If you have the paid version, you have access to everything in here. So there's tons and tons of good ones, and they're super easy to change all the text and stuff on. I'm actually going to go start from blank though. A blank page. Untitled site. Cool. So this is what you'll get when you start from blank. So the first thing we'll want to do is, let me get all the stuff moved over. We'll just cut. First thing we want to do is just get rid of some of these elements. We'll go here. We can't delete any of that. We'll delete this and delete that. Great. So first thing we need to add, we'll go over here. We'll do text. We'll put it right there. And then this thing, style, center, we'll put it at the top. Cool. Done. Text, we'll say, how about join our free community today. And I can't spell. Join our free community today. So there's lots of things you can do, like change in here. You can like change the fonts, the sizing, all that. Like let's make it a 3. Well, let's make it a little smaller actually, so it all fits on one line. 3. We could change the color of the text. We can change, like, we can use markdown to like bold or italics, that kind of stuff. But yeah, so then another cool thing is this box behind it. We can change like the color of that, but we'll leave that for now. We could go ahead and add some more text. We'll make this a little bit smaller, and we'll say fill out the form below, and then boom, alignment center, fill out the form below. Cool. Next feature we would add, for like how we've been designing our landing pages, we would go like a video, and I'll upload a video in there in a second, but like alignment, if we want it center, all that, you can change the size, and then here you can change like how it shows up, some of the other settings in here. I believe we can also like put on autoplay, don't autoplay, that kind of thing. But like if we go to like our YouTube, for example, if I go to like videos, I could like take any, like if I just wanted to, I have some videos downloaded actually. I'll go upload. Let's see. We'll do this. I don't believe this has any audio yet, but so there you would have like a video on here. And then the cool part is we'll use this in bed, and depending on what type of forms you use, you can, well, we'll delete that first. There's a couple different ways you can do it. You could have like a form like this where you can like edit this in all sorts of ways, change it up, or you can use that embed feature and actually put in like the form of your choice. So if I go back to this and delete it, and I go embed, all you need to do from there is take whatever like form builder that you're using. I'll pull it up over here right now. We use Calendly for ours, or for one of our form builders. I'll go to this one, share, add to website, and then inline embed, continue. And then all you'll need to do is take the code, right? Copy that. We go back over to our card. We go here, and then we just simply paste it where it says code. Okay. And now that will actually show up on this when we publish the changes. Things to note, we can go ahead and mess around with the background. Maybe make it like that. We can add like a pattern maybe. We could do that, kind of bricks or something. That's kind of cool. And then over here we could do, maybe we'll do like a green. I don't know. I know not the most beautiful looking thing, but we could go bricks as well. Done. Some of those you can are like in here. There's animated ones or not animated ones, but there's tons and tons of like different designs, and you can make them. You can make the lines any color, or like change anything on here to make it any color. But this is kind of like vibrant fun. I figured to do a more creative color. The next thing you have to do is give it when you hit save, is create a title and description. We'll just call it like test landing page description. We'll call it landing page for video. And then the cool thing is you can like save these, do it as a template, that kind of thing. Or if you pay for it, you can use like a custom domain. So you could do like a subdomain of your main. So like ours could be like BlueMarlinMarketing.com, like / landing page or / community join or something along those lines. Or you can use this card.co. You can actually just like name it like video landing page. Oh, see, that's taken. But video landing page cast. Cool, publish. Lots of stuff is available in there. Like most things that I've tried, I've been able to do. But then it'll go ahead and publish. View site. And then our form will load on here just because like the way that it looks. But yeah, so you could obviously use that form that you could like build in card. Just to collect like contact info, and then use like the button as a redirect to another page. But yeah, if whatever like form builder, like we're using Calendly for this, like because we want it to be like book a call. But you could use like Tally or Paperform, which I've shown a bunch of videos on how to do that. But similar way to like wherever you build it, if you have the embed, all you want to do is copy that code, and then you just put it in there. Pretty simple. And then you can put a title, that kind of stuff. Just a thing to note is if it says like in frame, if you're doing something with that, you'll just go ahead and click that, and then it's literally just title and then that URL. But if we go back to code, also if it's something that's like hidden feature that you're like putting code in, you can do that as well. But if it says inline, then inline it is. You paste it in there and you're good to go. But yeah, as you can see, it's like real easy to like maneuver, mess around with building on this site. It's not super complicated, and if you don't have like the paid version, I'm pretty sure you can't use embed, so you would have to build like a form in here, or you could have like a link to a form as well. That's like another way you could do this. Just like put the URL to that. But if we were to build one like this, right, just to show you guys how easy it is to do stuff in here, we can make it so that let's see, button submit default. We can say like take a payment in here. We can edit the name and fields of all these. We can ask for like here's like some default ones you can add. You could change the name, obviously, contact, sign up, custom. You can make it so it sends it to your email, like display. So like you could redirect to a URL if this is like a subscribe button or something. Lots of different things you can do with it, like autofocus, all those things, collect UTM parameters, all that kind of stuff. But we're going to actually go ahead and delete that. But yeah, so super simple to build. And then once you're done, you can literally just copy that link, or there'll be like that link that pops up on that like next page. Copy that link, and then you can go ahead and share it. And if you put that like Google or wherever and you search that up, that's the actual website for it. So if you have it like your YouTube description or like on Instagram, or you're sending it to someone in DMs or in a text or something like that, email, that's actually the site that they'll open up. But yeah, so this is like a super quick, easy way to build like a full website if you really wanted to. But also for landing pages like this. I know this is like maybe a more designed than a typical one. Like you would just want like less pop to it, just more read the information, have like your short video, fill out your form, that kind of thing, or like submit something along those lines. But yeah, you could really set this up for any kind of product. So this could be like fill out the form below, and this could be like get our free audiobook, or get our free download for a make automation, or get our free download for this. And it's a cool way to like collect client information, so you can start building like your contact list, that kind of thing. Or also if you're building, you can go ahead and make like a landing page for a client you have, and offer like landing page services or landing page design. But yeah, so that's just a thing to note. And obviously there's a lot more that you can do in this, so let me know in the comments if you have any questions, concerns, things you want me to dive into, features you saw, or templates or things you want me to open up, show off. Feel free to ask really anything. But as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. That really, really helps us out. And I will see you all next time. Have a good one.